Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're diving back into the colorful underwater world of Shark Tale to draw one of its most intimidating characters, Don Lino. He's the powerful great white shark and father of Lenny and Frankie, and today, we're gonna draw him in a fun and relaxed way. So, grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing. His design is quite fun to draw because it combines large, rounded shapes with some strong, angular features. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. Just focus on getting the overall proportions and pose looking right. And remember, if any part of the drawing feels a little tricky, pause the video and take your time. You can always continue when you're ready. Did you know that Don Lino is a great white shark? In Shark Tale, he's presented as one of the most feared sharks in the water, making him a pretty intimidating presence in the reef. Don Lino is voiced by Robert De Niro. The famous actor lends his voice to the character, which is a pretty fun connection considering Don Lino's crime boss-inspired personality. Don Lino is the father of Lenny and Frankie. A big part of his story revolves around his two sons and his expectations for them, especially when it comes to their future. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. It really helps support the channel. And if you'd like to draw more characters from Shark Tale, don't forget to check out our Shark Tale playlist by clicking the card above. And now, I'm curious, which character should we draw in the next video? Let us know your suggestion in the comments. Don Lino begins the movie as one of Oscar's biggest threats. Oscar's lie about being the shark slayer puts him directly in Don Lino's path, turning the two characters into enemies. But Don Lino's story doesn't end with him simply being the bad guy. Once Oscar reveals the truth about Frankie's death, Don Lino eventually makes peace with Oscar and accepts Lenny for who he is. So his character actually gets a small redemption arc by the end of the movie. For the colors, here are a few tips. For this version, we're using light gray and darker charcoal tones for his skin, with deep black for his cape and some of the darkest areas. To make his skin feel smooth and slightly glossy, use darker gray tones in the shadow areas and leave some lighter areas where the light would naturally hit. You can also add a few clean highlights along the curves of his head, shoulders, and body to create that shiny underwater look. For the cape, stronger dark shadows and subtle gray highlights can help separate the folds and give the fabric more volume. But remember, these colors are only a suggestion. Feel free to color your Don Lino however you like. You could even replace the gray and black with cool bluish tones for a different underwater look. And here's our Don Lino, all powerful, confident, and very stylish in this pose. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!